Right, here we are. Carl's still on holiday, so I thought I'd sneak out and come to Silverstone RC Car Club, home of the MKGP, for one of their club nights. Super busy, loads of people here, which is good. We've even got Paul Upton here. It's good to see him. Yeah. So the car of choice today is, and I've been looking forward to this for a while, is my Team Associated RC10 team with all the motor obscura bits and pieces on. I thought I'd run the honeycombs. It's like an unwritten rule for vintage to like a gentleman's agreement, so to speak, that we use the honeycombs, which I'm fine with because these are the tyres that I used at the field booth event anyway. But there is mod in here. I'm not really going to feature myself. I'm going to feature maybe a couple of cars, but maybe go and see some racing action. So if you've not been here before, this track is super high grip, so you need a lot of super glue on the front side wheels just to keep yourself on all four wheels really. Let's follow someone around. Let's follow this yellow car around. It's easy to see. Yeah, pretty quick. Nice. I'll go up on the rostrum in a minute and I'll give you like a bit of a bird's eye view of the track. It's a really lovely jump, right? You can't really do the double there, but this jump coming up, bank, beautiful. We didn't get it quite right there, but if you hit it right, it is awesome. It's a little bit like if you're a golfer and you get the perfect hit, you know, just feels good. But like I say, these guys are responsible for the amazing MKGP, which is on once a year. Not sure if they're going to do it next year. Hope they do. I'm not too sure. We'll have to ask Paul Upton, he's over there, Mr. Puppy Paint, see if he's doing it. Get the shell and get the shit. So I'm here with Paul Upton, the main man around these parts. Is that safe to say there, Paul?
One of. Obviously there's a few of us that run the club, but yeah, my name's at the top of the list, I suppose. But yeah, there's a few of us that run.
So you and your team are responsible for the amazing MKGP, right?
Yeah. So
we've frequented a couple of years on the trot. What's the deal? Are you doing it again? Are you not doing it? What's the...
It's 50-50 at the minute.
Gotcha.
They've postponed the floor work that they were doing in there, so there is a possibility, but it's just getting everything together and working out logistics, and whether we can get the time to do it. So yeah.
Let's just watch this space. But
yeah,
listen,
basically, yeah.
The reason I came over to see is because of this car. This looks amazing. What is it, Bill? What is this car?
So it's the JC10 from JC Racing. I'm fairly new into the vintage team, but it's based on the RC10 with the long arm conversion. Obviously I put quite a bit of blingy bits on it, titanium, made it as stealthy as I can, and I think it's come out pretty good.
It looks really, I love this. I actually really do like the stealth look. I think you've done an absolute top job on that. How's it performing?
So it's first night running it. Few little things I need to do to it. I think it's a bit soft on the rear end still, but yeah, first night running it, it's gone really well.
Well, you're beating me, which is not difficult, is it? But so normally when you get a car, I mean, how long does it take you to sort of dial one in? A couple of weeks, a month?
Yeah, I mean, roll bars would be the next thing I'd do on this, which I know Johnny's working on. I think the wishbones are out already, he's just waiting on the roll bar stuff. So yeah, certainly on the rear end, that's going to help that a lot, just to stop it from squatting.
And I think it's super high grip, the carpet, so I think that'll probably work really well.
But even on the honeycombs, it's so much fun to drive on the carpet.
Yeah, I agree. I'm having a really good night's racing actually, and thoroughly enjoying this. Anyway, I'll let you crack on because you're running race control.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to us.
No
Thanks
problem
for showing us your car.
That's
Cheers,
all right.
mate.
Cheers.
We've got a real mixed bag in this one. We've got two-wheel drives. Actually, hold on. Is this four-wheel drive? No, two-wheel drives, four-wheel drives. Like it's one of those stadium truck jobs going around. But I'm going to show you a lap around the track. Let me get up on the rostrum. Right, let's do a lap with this car here, this orange one. Oh no, maybe not. One behind then. So like I say, you can't double that one. Nice little jump. That was nice. Bit wide there. You've got to hug everything really, really tight. And you can't go full board down that straight because you will either grip roll or you won't turn enough, dependent on how much super glue in your sidewalls. But that is that was close. That was a lap around the track. Right, apparently if you put these pictures of Charlie Ware, the old final boss here, your car goes quicker. So I'm going to take a couple of them, stick them on. Look at that, shades and all, lovely. Gotta go and fish in here. Nice rod, nice rod. Right, we're going to go for a few laps with Andy Murray, Mr. Schumacher. Let's go and see what his lines are like. Tight. I think he's probably winning at the minute. Look at that. It makes it look easy. You know, it's not easy. It's actually really technical. You've got to get it right. You can't double that. I've tried it. Nice. So quick down the straight, that thing. And that's the thing, I've said it many times, you've got to push hard, otherwise, you know, you're not going to do very well. But of course, if you push hard, you run the risk of making mistakes. This is just qualifying at the moment. So no one's really racing as such, they're just trying to get a fast lap time. And obviously if you do well, you're at the front of the grid, and finals, if you don't, you're at the back. So he's making it look easy. Nice. Well, I couldn't video my final because I was obviously racing. I did alright, it's nice car, made some mistakes, silly old me, but there's some people here we need to go and have a chat with. Robin Schumacher over there, we've got Andy Murray, bit of a Schumacher sort of corner of the room. Let's go and have a chat with him.
It's good to see you. Do you ever race down here yourself?
Yeah, it's my local club. I live 10 minutes drive from here. So, yeah, personally I'd like to try different classes of racing, but I come here from time to time.
Yeah, it's good to see you again. We often see you at various track meetings and you're very busy, so to try and pin you down is very difficult. But today I wanted to talk to you about your new car. Tell us a little bit about that. What's it called?
The Cat PB is our new four-wheel drive off-road buggy. It's named after Phil Booth, our chief designer for many years,
Yep.
who passed away last year. And it's a complete change for us because we've gone shaft drive, got rid of the belts.
Yeah, I saw that.
After many years.
That's a bold thing to do, to go back to shaft drive. What was the reason for that?
Well, we felt that we were getting to the end of the line of development on the belt drive car. It's been very good for many years, but there were some situations, particularly on the more bumpy and slippery tracks, where we were not quite as competitive as we wanted to be. So we've gone back to the drawing board, started again, and the team have come up with a really good design, and it's working very well. It's winning races. I've just got back from the last off-road national at Robin Hood Raceway, and there's a real buzz in the team at the moment. It's fantastic.
Is it on pre-release now? Is it on sale?
It will be on sale within a couple of days, hopefully. Right. We're just finalising the last few bits, boxing up the kits, and then hopefully by the end of the week they'll be shipping out.
Brilliant. Well, listen, I'm going to leave you be. Thanks for talking to us once again, Robin. Good luck with the sound of the car. I'm sure it's going to do you guys proud, and we'll see you soon.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
This is the A final. Let's see how they all get on. Whoa. Very, very fast. We've got Andy. I really wanted to sort of concentrate on Andy tonight. Looks like he was second on the grid there. Front runners running away. Looking very, very quick though, to be honest. Tight lines, but at this level, you know, you're one mistake away from, well, not doing very well. And he's catching up. This is going to be a good battle here. We have got a good battle, first and second. Oh, this is going to be good. I'm looking forward to oh no, that is the problem, because of course if you push, you run the risk of, you know, having a bit of an accident, and it will set you back. But I think he's going to claw back. But we'll stay with the front runner anyway. Well, I went a bit wide on that one, to be fair. So I reckon he's going to get drawn in pretty quick. Maybe not. Nice, straight through there. I think, you know, I'm obviously not as good as these guys whatsoever, but This is a good masterclass on how to do it and how to do it very, very well. You try and find straight lines where you can. Hug that. The car is obviously super dialed. I spoke to somebody the other day who was saying that the ESC settings are really important to get them right. I probably haven't got mine right, to be fair. Whoa, look at that. He's got that dial. He's not set 1 foot wrong yet whatsoever. Right, now he's coming up to back markers. Now at this level they are going to yield. Well, they should do. Okay, whoa. Okay. So it's coming around. They will gracefully move out of the way. There you go, told you. Oh. Right, now. Okay, so we've got Andy in. Oh no, he's had an accident now. It's all going on tonight. I think everybody's pushing super duper hard, which of course you got to do. If you don't push hard, you ain't gonna win. It's as simple as that. Oh, I should imagine he's doing some of those micro movements over the jumps and things. We spoke about it in the last video, where, you know, at this level you will be doing a lot of little micro move. There you go, little twitch of the front wheels in the air. I know it looks fancy, but there is a reason for doing that. It's probably to keep the car flat through the air. I can't do it. I ain't good enough. But there you go. Had I have run modern, I don't think I would have been in the A final whatsoever tonight. It's one of those things, you know, that if you are a regular to any club, you will get good on that carpet. Okay, now, look at that. How graceful is that? Right, so Andy, he went, no, you carry on. That's what he said. So we got a battle on. Andy wants, he's a true racer. He wants to do this and he wants to do it the right way. Right, is he going to find it? Where is he going to find time or space to pass? Let's watch. See what happens here. Oh. Is he going to do it? Is he going to? He's waiting for his opportunity. He's waiting. He's piling on the pressure. He's pushing. We've got 1 minute left, and yes, he's come out on top. I think he put the other driver under a lot of pressure there. So I do believe Andy's in the lead now. I might be wrong. I don't know, but we're going to follow this car anyway, to be quite honest. I can't see him getting overtaken, but then again, you don't know. If you have an accident in the middle of the track and the marshals can't get to you, then, well, I guess it could be anyone's. Oh, he made a mistake there as well. No. Oh. Nice. That was a nice, very, very tight. You know, any newbies watching this, these guys do make it look easy. But, yeah, there you go. And that is a win, I do believe, for Andy. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. We'll see you on another video.
Did you win it? Did you win it? You did, didn't you? It was very graceful what you did there, because you could have just sort of stacked it up the inside when he was on his roof. But you didn't,
I spotted when he hit the traffic, so I wanted to try and win the correct way if I could.
Yeah, no,
and give him a chance as well.
Well done. I thought you've done very well there. It's nice to see you again. I've got to go home now because I've got to have some dinner.
Thank you.
Look after yourself.
Yeah, see you soon.
See ya.
Cheers.